Good day. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to set up um, your official email using Gmail, right? So I see that a lot of people are having problem with setting up their official email, maybe an email setup for them from their company, from the company they are working, or from an official website or wherever it is, maybe school email and all of that. So I'm going to be showing you how to set it up using Gmail. And I believe this should work on both Android and iOS. So, but this particular method is going to be for those that are using Gmail. You can actually log it in using Outlook and other Yahoo Mail and all of that. But this video is going to specifically focus on setting up the official email using Gmail. So the first thing you need to do now is to go to your Gmail, right? For this video, I'm going to be using an official email created for freelancers at SabiChain Technologies. So I'll be using that. So the first thing you need to do is to go to your Gmail, right? So this should be your Gmail, and this is the official email setup from SabiChain Technology. So I believe anyone that is a freelancer should have gotten this email. If you didn't see it in your inbox, you can check your spam, right? So once you open your Gmail, you already seen the setup. Then you will let's go ahead to setting it up. Let's go ahead to setting it up. So once you log into your Gmail, you go to creating accounts because you need to create account. You need to create an account. So this is what you are going to do. Sorry, you need to log in an account, not create an account. So you click add another account. So now we have options. We have Google, we have Outlook, we have Yahoo, and we have Exchange and Office 365. But we're going to be using order. So it's order you're going to click. You're going to click order. Then you put your email there. So like I said, I'll be using official email for SabiChain Technology, so which is hello@sabichangetechnology.com. So next. So what type of account is this? So you are going to check it from your email setup that you got, which is this, depending on the setup that you are given. So let's check the type of images. So this one is IMAP. So I can select IMAP or PROP3. So let's see IMAP, or I can select any of the two, right? So but I will select this. Then your password. So I'm going to put my password right now. So you can use whatever password you are giving. But in this video, I'm going to use the password dedicated for this account, which is so I've input the password for this particular email. So you can put your own password there. Then click next. So you get to this place. So I think this is correct. So you click it. So and let's see if it works. We might face problem here. So if you face any problem here, that means you would have to go and set it up manually. So I think there are two setup for this. You can set it up manually. Okay, there was a problem setting up security for this account, the ISC security mail. So let's go to edit setting. So this one now is going to be for manual. So now we are going to follow the exact step by step instruction that was given here. So we are going to check the ports. So let's check the ports from this email. So the port here is 993. So let's change this to 993. Then let's check the security type. The security type should be SST/TLS. So SST, let's check it. SST. Okay, so this is it. I think this either of these two. I think. Oh, let's confirm. TLS. Okay, so I think this is it. So I think we are going to use this. Then let's check it now if it works out. I believe it should work out this time. Could now open connection. Okay, let's check. Let's change this to this. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Could not open connection to this server. Okay, let's check. Let's check. Maybe we are having any problem. Okay, incoming server. Okay, incoming server should be. I think there should be mail dot. This one should be mail dot sabi chain tech. So let's check it like this. Outgoing. So outgoing should be mail dots. So I believe it should work like this. Yes. So now I've successfully logged in to this account. So your account is set up and email is on its way. So your name, display name on sent email. So you can put a display name there, right? You can put a display name, your name. I'm going to be using the company name here, Sabi Change Technologies. So next. So the account is successfully logged in here. So if I go to my Gmail now, I'll be seeing all the incoming mails. Let's check. So you can see it here. Sabichange, hello sabichangetech.com. So now I've logged into the email. I've logged into the email. You can see all the email on this account. So that is how you are going to set it up. Just follow it step by step, and it will be more easier for you to set it up if you actually follow the details in the configuration mail. Well, thank you and have a wonderful day.